Yo, what's up guys, it's Aptrix here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to play Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 on your Android devices. This is going to be 100% legal and official method to play this game on your mobile devices. I'll be showing you guys setup, best settings as well as gameplay. So before getting started, if you guys are new here, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notification as I upload similar videos on my channel. Let's get started. Now as Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 has just released for PC, for today's video we'll be using a Windows emulator for Android known as the GameHub Windows Emulator. I have already made a setup video talking about how to set up this Windows emulator on your Android devices. You guys will be able to watch that video on the iCard above. So you guys will need to set up this Windows emulator on your Android devices first before we start playing Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. Once you have successfully added this Windows emulator, which is capable of running games like GTA 5 on our Android devices natively offline, simply tap on the main menu option. Afterwards go to game section, and here make sure to tap on the PC game section, where you guys will be able to see an UI similar to this. Now what you gotta do is tap on this plus button and make sure to import your PC version of Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. Just go ahead and select the game, afterwards tap on the confirm button. Once that has been done, we'll need to apply the best settings or else this game will not work. I'll also be telling you guys the minimum requirements to play this game on your Android devices in just a bit, but make sure to select the game, afterwards tap on settings, go to game settings. Now here are the most important steps which you will need to follow. First of all, in terms of game resolution, you can set it according to your device specification. For low-end Android devices, go with 800 by 600 resolution. For mid-range or high-end devices, go with 720p resolution. Once that has been done, go to compatibility layer, to translation parameters, and make sure to enable performance parameters so you get best performance. Once that has been done, in terms of GPU driver, if you have a Snapdragon processor Android device, go with the latest Turnip 25.0.0 revision 8, which you will be able to see right here. But if you have an unsupported Mali GPU Android device, for example MediaTek processor, Exynos processor, then you will have to go with the system graphics driver. So make sure to select it. As the device which I am using does not have any graphics driver, we'll go with system driver. Once that has been done, DXVK version, make sure to scroll up and select the latest DXVK version 2.5.1-2 asynchronous. Make sure to select this graphics driver as it is very important. VKD3D, make sure to set it as 2.13. CPU translator should be box 64 0.32. Once that has been done, you will need to go to component section. Make sure to enable this option and add the VC Redis 2022. This is very important or else your game will not boot unless and until you set this up. So let's wait until the setup is completed. Tap on VC Redis once again and GameHub Emulator will open the Windows emulator, where you will need to complete this setup which you are seeing right here. Afterwards, here we go, dependency is successfully added. We'll just go ahead and go back. Afterwards go to general. Let's tap on the back button, and that's about it. We have applied all the best settings and we should be all good to start playing this game on our Android devices. So I'll tap on the play now button. And yeah guys, I only make real videos on my channel, so make sure to hit that like button. If you get any errors and your game does not boot, you can also try out these settings which I am showing you right now. And here we go guys, finally our game will successfully boot. You will see an FPS bar somewhere here, which means that our game is about to boot, and there we go, we have the loading screen. Now what you got to do is go back, afterwards go to settings and make sure to enable full screen mode. Then go to the first option and also enable input mapping for on-screen touch controls. Once that's done, simply tap the A button, and here we go, our game is about to start. And now what you gotta do is go to new game and start your new game. Alright guys, here we go. You might be wondering, have I switched my Android device? So yep, I have indeed switched my Android device. I am using my Samsung Galaxy tablet instead, because on my Realme phone I was getting lot of graphical issues. And here we go, you guys will be able to see we are playing the real PC version. That's why on this tablet which has Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, we are getting about 20 FPS. And as you guys will be able to see, everything is indeed working properly without any issues. So there might be some graphical issues on unsupported graphics driver. If you face those graphical issues, then you will have to use Mesa Turnip Adreno driver 25.0.0 revision 8. Now it is a bit hard to control with the on-screen touch control, so I recommend you guys to use a controller instead. In terms of minimum requirements, you will need at least 8 GB of RAM, Snapdragon 888 processor or above, or else you won't be able to play this game. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notification. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.